Understanding biomass conversion into adhesive. Biomass conversion into adhesive has gained immense attention in recent years due to its potential benefits in reducing environmental pollution and promoting sustainable development. This article aims to provide an overview of the process of biomass conversion into adhesive, its benefits, and the challenges involved. Biomass conversion into adhesive generally entails four basic procedures: feedstock preparation, pretreatment, hydrolysis, and fermentation. Feedstock preparation involves the selection and collection of biomass materials, which can vary from sawdust, wood chips, corn stover, to sugarcane bagasse. The pretreatment process can be physical, chemical, or biological. Physical pretreatment involves the use of mechanical force, such as milling or grinding, to reduce the size of the biomass and enhance its accessibility to the enzymes. Chemical pretreatment, on the other hand, involves the use of acids, bases, or oxidizing agents to degrade the biomass structure. Biological pretreatment uses microorganisms that secrete enzymes that break down the complex biomass components. The third stage involves hydrolysis, which is the breakdown of the simple sugars from the biomass into monomeric sugars such as glucose and fructose, that can be fermented by microorganisms. Enzymes are used during this stage, either by adding exogenous enzymes from commercial sources or by using the enzymes produced naturally by the microorganisms during fermentation. Fermentation is the final stage, and it involves the conversion of the monomeric sugars produced during hydrolysis into the adhesive. This stage requires microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria, which have a natural ability to convert sugars to the desired adhesive products. However, the selection of the microorganisms depends on the type of adhesive desired. For instance, lignin-based adhesives require different microorganisms compared to cellulose-based adhesives. The conversion of biomass into adhesive presents numerous benefits, including waste reduction and the use of renewable resources. Biomass, which is usually considered waste, can be recycled through this process to produce adhesives needed in various industries, thereby reducing its environmental burden. Additionally, the use of biomass-derived adhesives can reduce the emission of harmful chemicals into the environment, which occurs with the use of petroleum-based adhesives. The production of biomass-derived adhesives emits fewer toxic byproducts such as volatile organic compounds, formaldehyde, and carbon dioxide, which are often found in petroleum-based adhesives. However, there are several challenges in the conversion of biomass into adhesive, which require technological advancements and innovation to address. These challenges include the high cost of production, which often renders biomass-derived adhesives economically unviable for commercial production. Moreover, there is a need for standardized and efficient pretreatment methods, which can be widely adopted to ensure consistent and quality biomass conversion. The plywood, particle board, and composite materials industries are just a few examples of industries that can benefit from biomass-derived adhesives. Moreover, the use of biomass-derived adhesives has the potential to create new job opportunities, especially in rural areas where biomass feedstocks are abundant. This can help to reduce poverty and improve the socioeconomic conditions of communities in these areas. Research and development efforts are ongoing to address the challenges associated with biomass conversion into adhesive. Continuous efforts in research and development, innovation, and collaboration among different stakeholders are necessary to fully realize the potential of this technology. As the world continues to face environmental challenges, the development and adoption of sustainable technologies such as biomass conversion into adhesive will become increasingly important. The potential benefits in waste reduction, use of renewable resources, and reduction in greenhouse gas emissions all point towards the need for increased investment in this technology. Governments, industries, and researchers must work together to address the challenges and advance the development of this technology. Policies that promote the use of sustainable adhesives must be put in place, and funding for research and development must be increased to improve the efficiency and reduce the cost of production. The use of sustainable adhesives can also have a positive impact on public health. Petroleum-based adhesives are often associated with various health risks such as respiratory problems, skin irritation, and allergic reactions. The emission of harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde and volatile organic compounds during the production and use phase of petroleum-based adhesives can also negatively impact indoor air quality. On the other hand, biomass-derived adhesives emit fewer toxic byproducts, which can improve indoor air quality and reduce the risk of health problems associated with exposure to harmful chemicals. This is particularly important in closed environments such as homes, schools, and hospitals, where people spend a significant amount of time. Apart from the benefits mentioned above, the biomass conversion process into adhesive may also help to address the issue of food security. The use of agricultural residues such as corn stover and sugarcane bagasse for the production of adhesives can reduce competition between food and non-food uses of agricultural products. This means that the production of adhesive from these residues does not compete with food production, thus improving food security. Farmers can sell their agricultural residues to biomass conversion companies for the production of adhesives, providing an alternative income source and reducing waste. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, the use of biomass-derived adhesives can also contribute to the circular economy. The circular economy is an economic model that aims to minimize waste and maximize the value of resources by keeping them in use for as long as possible. The use of biomass-derived adhesives fits into this model as it involves converting waste biomass into a valuable product that can be used in various industries. The circular economy approach to the production of adhesives can also reduce the reliance on virgin materials and minimize the carbon footprint of industries that use these adhesives. This means that businesses can reduce their environmental impact while also improving their economic competitiveness. Despite the numerous benefits of biomass conversion into adhesive, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges is the lack of standardized processes and technologies for biomass conversion. The lack of standardization makes it difficult for companies to adopt the technology and produce quality biomass-derived adhesives. Another challenge is the high capital and operational costs associated with biomass conversion into adhesive. The technology is still in its infancy, and the cost of production is currently high, making it economically unviable for commercial production. However, recent advancements in technology and ongoing research and development efforts may help to reduce the cost of production and make biomass-derived adhesives commercially viable. This makes it important to develop sustainable and efficient biomass production and harvesting practices to ensure a reliable source of feedstock for the production of adhesives.